Hi everyone, my name is Deepthi. Welcome to Learn English with Deepthi. In today's lesson, we are going to take a look at some phrasal verbs with come. A phrasal verb is a phrase that contains a verb and an adverb. It may also contain a verb and a preposition. Sometimes we also see phrasal verbs containing an adverb and a preposition with a verb. The problem with phrasal verbs is they can be very confusing to people who learn English, because when you add a preposition or an adverb to a verb, it just completely changes the meaning of the verb. So today I am going to teach you a few of the phrasal verbs with come that I think are not as commonly well known as some other ones. For example, come in, come out. These are all very common phrasal verbs using come. Today we are going to take a look at some that are not as common. The first one is come to. This means to regain consciousness. Here's an example. When he came to, he didn't know where he was. The sentence means that when this person regained consciousness, he didn't know where he was. So come to meaning regain consciousness after becoming unconscious. The next one is come through. This means doing something that you promised or you agreed upon, usually to help somebody. Here's an example. Sam came through with the money when I needed it. So the meaning of the sentence is that when I needed the money, Sam got me the money as he had agreed to, or as he had promised he would. So Sam lived up to what my expectation of him was. That's the meaning of come through. The next one is come into. Come into means to inherit, usually money. Here's an example. She came into a lot of money when her grandmother passed. That is, her grandmother left her a lot of money when she died. The next one is come at. This means to move closer to someone in an aggressive way, like they are going to harm you or hit you. Here's an example. The man came at me when I told him to put out his cigarette. So this implies that the man didn't like that I told him to put out the cigarette, so he came at me in an aggressive way. That he means he moved closer to me like he was going to attack me or he was going to confront me. That's the meaning of come at. The next one is come on to. This phrasal verb is usually used in an informal way. The meaning of it is that someone is flirting with you. They are showing a romantic interest in you. They are acting in a way that suggests that they are interested in you romantically. That's what come on to means. Here's an example. I think the woman at the coffee house was coming on to you. So that means I think that the woman at the coffee house was acting in a way that suggested that she was romantically interested in you. That is what come on to means. The next one is come around, which means to change your mind about something after first opposing it. Here's an example. Jenny came around and decided to go on the trip with us. This means that Jenny didn't want to go on the trip with us at first. She was opposed to it, but now for whatever reason she has changed her mind and she has decided to go on the trip with us. This means that she has come around, changed her mind about something. Please remember that these are just one of the meanings of these phrasal verbs. These phrasal verbs could have other meanings as well. For example, come through has another meaning that means to survive. She came through the car accident means she survived the car accident. So each of these have other meanings. Please remember that. Please like and share the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.